So I really like this website right here, open interest website, coinalyze.net. It really gives me an idea if investors feel like these projects are about to rise. It's an indicator for institutional interest, and it's also an indicator, depending on how speculative the project is, if it has topped. So I'm always checking this website here. You can see, man, Gala is starting to get a lot of open interest, and the price is only still under 2 cents. So, in my opinion, I feel like Gala is one of those projects where people are starting to quietly come back to, as well as Quant QNT. We can actually go check the charts if I actually have it pulled up here. I believe I had Gala and Quant pulled up, man, and I just think crypto is looking like it wants to explode. Family, we got to be prepared for even our blue chips that's cranking on up. Quant is over 100 quietly. Not a lot of people talking about that. We're seeing Gala literally. Um, it jumped up like 30-40% on the day. And these cryptocurrency altcoins, man, they're in the green for 3, 4, 5 days in a row. And you look up, your cryptocurrency is up 40, 50%, 100%, and you still on the sidelines talking about I'm waiting for Bitcoin to hit 40K. So you gotta start deciding if you want to make a decision. I know we're not near the halving cycle just yet, but just look at simple metrics. Chris from crypto.com just posted 150% increase in crypto purchases. This is a People say, oh, retail's not coming back to crypto yet. You got a centralized exchange owner here saying 152% increase in crypto purchases. So despite what the YouTubers or the masses say, the volume is spiking. You can see here with crypto.com. Look at the inflows. The inflows are in the green. The 7-day inflows are in the green. I don't know where y'all getting this money from, man. It ain't Friday yet. I thought we was supposed to be waiting for Friday to pump the market. Everybody get paid. Payday in America. Nah, they said there was no money in the savings account. I don't know. Is this whale movement? I'm not sure. Um, I still feel like crypto.com is a sleeper, but the total market cap of the entire cryptocurrency market continues, family, continues. Let me move my mic up here. Continues to go up, as you can see, up 2%. We're at 1.2 trillion. So I would argue that new money is coming into crypto. And cryptocurrency is doing this despite, you feel me, despite the market, despite the stocks. Um, there's now becoming more and more ways that you can buy Bitcoin, more and more ways that you can buy crypto. And when these spot ETFs come around, we're talking about that retirement money coming into cryptocurrency. Everybody that's, intrigued by Bitcoin but don't want to take the risk of just buying it off an exchange or buying it with their wallet, now they'll have an opportunity to use BlackRock or ARK Invest as a third party to have exposure to Bitcoin in cryptocurrency. I think we're one step closer to a bull run. Um, a spot ETF again would be huge for the entire cryptocurrency market. And just taking a look at the total market three here, you can see for the altcoin market, we still got time to actually load our bags. And I want to show you guys something and why I say we still got time. Because on the total market, this is including Ethereum and Bitcoin, we just flashed green on the Gaussian channel on the weekly, which is a very, very, very bullish indicator. The fact that we're green on the weekly tells us that we are at the beginning stages of a bull run. So I would argue that this is the beginning. You know what I mean? Despite people saying, oh, we got a potential recession, Q4, this could be the beginning. Maybe we get another pullback headed into the halving cycle. But in my opinion, I need to personally start preparing like we're entering a bull market now. Because when I see the total crypto market here flashing green on the Gaussian, I can't deny the fact that the sentiment is bullish, and also that the market is starting to gain traction and momentum here. So what I've been doing is I kind of did things backward this time around on the bull run. I'm really, loaded on a lot of super deej and stuff. I know you guys check out my super deej and stuff all the time right here. But I'm also focused now on just, lining up my blue chips, getting those projects that I think that will get a lot of institutional money, and really, really, rounding out my bag. I had a few more bags that I wanted to load up on, and I want a certain amount so I can see, a certain amount in gains. I also don't want to be too diversified, so I'm also looking at consolidating a few things, but I'm getting prepared, and I think proper preparation now will put you in a position to win in the future. But we'll continue to, have that hopium, right? We'll continue to have that hopium. The volume is down 43%, so you know that is a point bears would say, and Bitcoin now is at 34,000, so it went down a few, but it's still above 32K, and technically anything above 32K, in my opinion, is still bullish. So that's pretty much a market roundup, macro roundup. We still have the FOMC meeting on the way, right? I know we got the FOM. What's that? Daddy J Powell. He want to come and talk. So 6 days. We got this in our pocket. If you're a bear right now, we do got the FOMC meeting in our pocket, right? 6 days where we can finally see some type of pullback and load up our bags and get those entry points. Because I'm bearish in the state that I want to pull back in correction selfishly to be able to load up my bags more. I know that sounds bad, but I want as much crypto as I can going into this next cycle. And also, we're looking at a 97% chance now of a federal pause. Now it's a 2% chance of a federal rate hike and a 0% chance of a cut. So, hopefully Jay Powell talks bearish, man. Hopefully he does something bearish. He talks bearish. We also got, I believe, one more meeting in December. Let's check out the stats here, where again it's looking like a 25% federal rate hike, 73% pause. So a lot of people are starting to come on board again with another rate hike as inflation is still sticky. But this, as a for a bear, this is probably your last stance before things turn bullish. If we don't get any ETF news, right? This last 6 days probably will be your last stance, and Jay Powell probably will be will be your last opportunity for a market pullback. So if he comes out and he's what's it bearish and hawkish, I'd be looking to enter as much as I can, because we definitely have too much bullish development. I also would I'm also looking to keep an open mind of a possible buy the rumor, sell the news event with this ETF, because we're in uncharted waters. But the influx of liquidity that could come in when the ETF happens makes me feel a little bit more confident that the ETF will not be a buy the rumors, sell the news event. I think it will be major. I think we will see a lot of liquidity. I think a lot of confidence will come in the market. I believe the Fear and Greed Index at one point I looked at, it was like 70 something. So let's actually go check that out if they still have it. Yeah, 72. So I also would watch this, because this is, historically not the best time to buy crypto. If you're looking to find entry points, or if you're on the sideline, I would wait for the Fear and Greed Index to go down. It's just, man, we're just so bullish, and it seems like, man, it's just never going to stop going up. But that's not how crypto works. It's going to stop going up, family. Okay, it goes up and goes down. Just be patient. Mamba mentality. We out here to pick our spot. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the crypto market update, the sentiment. What are you doing? What are your strategies? Leave a comment. I love to know you guys' opinions. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.